Natural satellites are celestial bodies that orbit around a larger body, usually a planet. The most well-known natural satellite is Earth's moon, but there are also many other natural satellites orbiting various planets in our solar system. Artificial satellites, on the other hand, are man-made devices that are launched into space and placed into orbit around the Earth or other celestial bodies. These satellites are used for various purposes, including communication, weather forecasting, navigation, scientific research, and military surveillance. Both natural and artificial satellites play important roles in our understanding of the universe and in various aspects of everyday life.